Hi, this is a video on my Nexus 7 2013 mounted in the dashboard of my Renault Clio 2006. This project has taken me over 2 years to complete, and it's not even complete yet. I've written several custom applications to run on the tablet and several custom scripts to run on the tablet also to create this functionality. I have developed several electronic boards in order to make the usage seem integrated into the car, and or to mix audio from several different audio sources into the stereo of the car. Those several audio sources are the radio. So we've got the radio here, which is controlled on a separate board by the tablet and is mixed with the audio from the tablet. So this audio you're hearing is actually created by the separate board. And then I've also got a Bluetooth audio receiver, which is roughly there in my car, designed for phone calls, though I currently use an iPhone, so Android cannot interface and allow it to answer the phone. But if an Android phone was in the car, then you can use an app on here to answer the phone. So as you can see, we've got DAB radio, which uses a separate board, and this is a custom app that I've written to control that board, which is an open source app and an open source board. But then we've also got music through Apple Music. I don't think I've actually had this installed. Oh no, I have here. Okay. So if I play this, and we can skip using custom controls that I've written. So that's great, basically. And we've also got podcasts. So here I've got a podcast that I was listening to.
A routing app didn't take them to the right.
Now the custom scripts that I've written allow the user of the tablet to turn the car off, just like as if they're in a normal car. And what the system will do is detect that the power's been cut off. It will run a nice little animation just to pretend that it's real. And when the user turns the car back on, it detects that and will just play whatever was playing before. As you can see here, it's now playing the podcast again. So I've got a custom, well, it's not a custom, this is a jog wheel, which is designed for video editing. And what I did was wrote an Android interface for it to allow me to. It's actually an Android library, which I've then used to program custom inputs for each of the buttons and the jog wheel. So button number 1 will, if you press it, will actually click, so as if it's just a click on the screen. This button here will go home, so now we're at home screen. And the second button will open the radio, and that plays. And the third button will open podcasts. And the first button, if you hold it, will open music, as you can see there. So if I click there, this will actually, I can click OK with the screen normally, but I don't think I can. So it's touchscreen, obviously, because it's a tablet. And what else? So it's got Google Maps as well, and this uses a custom, well, not custom, it uses a USB GPS receiver due to the tablet sometimes having a bit of a weird GPS signal. So this works exactly the same as any car's GPS, and has inbuilt Google detection, voice detection. So if we use the keyword OK Google, it's now listening for my input, but I've actually got the audio turned down here. So navigate.
Not sure how to help with. Salis thinks my input driver.
Oops.
From a bunch of guys I went to see last night, actually at Brixton.
So we'll actually imagine we're just home. Okay, Google. Navigate to home.
Navigating to home.
Along the floor all the way up to the venue. It was sick. Well done, Glass Animals.
So this, even though the radio board is running separately from the tablet can control
road towards David Road.
the volume of that, as you can hear there. So it will.
You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 13:04.
So there we go. We get a nice, very, very nice interface. And if I just turn the tablet off here, imagine it will stop the navigation and turn off as any other inbuilt head unit would do. It just loads a nice little navigation interface. It's actually called Google Maps Driving, I think. But then there's also several other things this click wheel can do. So if I go back to my radio, I can go next track very easily with the jog wheel input, and I can also. This should actually. Oh, that's weird. So this will control that, but then my click wheel will also allow me to scroll up and down very easily. So I can scroll to any radio station and click. Very easily, very hands-free, very safe. The tablet also has reverse camera detection, though I haven't actually got that turned on at the moment, but when I would go into reverse, a screen would appear on the tablet to show the reversing camera. And that's my interface, that's my tablet, that's my integration in the Renault Clio of this tablet. The tablet also has several other unique features, including, well, not unique, but several other features of dimming the display depending on time. So if I don't, obviously it's bright daylight right now, it's on full brightness, but it will automatically decrease the brightness for the time of day using an algorithm to work out where the sun is in the sky. And that's it. So that's my tablet I've been working on. That's my project over the last few years. And thanks for watching.